Hello, welcome back. Let's keep working. Do you remember what we have done at the previous episode? This is what we have here, and let me show it to you. We were placing objects here. We're gonna keep making this. You know how we were making the settings here. Alright, I don't need to have this rendered view here, so I think we see the fog here because it's not focusing. Yeah, that's better. Let's follow the image here on the right side, and there's no such things as this kind of window here. It means that I can boolean this. I wish I would make more windows because I feel like it's not enough. It doesn't make me enough. Look at this reflection. Do you remember that episode with the PBR material, making it PBR? Look at this. This is the result. My next tutorial will be about image atlases. Can I say that like this? So I'm gonna show it to you on that series, and I'm gonna teach you a different kind of image realistic working style. You can say that image realistic or realistic style, whatever. You're gonna see that and you're gonna love that. So I'm just trying to show you different kind of methods. So let's keep working on it, man. Stop talking. But I think you understood the benefits of the PBR materials and materialize converting this kind of this was only one image. This was only one still image, and we converted to like 3D looking like, and I love it. Look at these reflections. Yeah, so that's why it's important. All right, we have this and the door here. I want to try different door, which I didn't like. I didn't use. Apple location and place it there. That's so easy. That's so easy, but also it's boring process because there's nothing fancy or cool stuff. I'm just placing it like construction worker. Maybe you don't like that stuff and you are fast forwarding this process, but I have no other option, dude. I can fast forward it. All right, now I can use different kind of frames like this, and you can just use them vertical or horizontal to make it a little bit different, because we have just little bit amount of windows here. I need a little bit more depth, and that's fine, but I see that it has emission, so I can do it. And why am I looking at in the rendered view all the time? Okay, emission color, assign it. Yeah. Now we have little bit bigger window frame. Let's boolean. This time I think I need to use a different kind of window. Let's mount it here. I think I need to do some different kind of method here, and I can make it look different. Yeah. Yep. I think I can use it just like this. I'm not sure, but I can use it because it has already white frame and we have light color concrete. Yeah, that's all. We could change it later. Apply scale, cube projection. For now, I'm just placing only windows and other stuff. And after that, I'm gonna make different stuff there. This is a plate. Actually, I gotta make a plate. Should I make it right now? So let's make a simple plate because I feel like I need that. All right, that's gonna be so simple as like before. Just have it maybe like this, and vertical, or yeah, for now I can make it horizontal, and after that we can check it if it's fine or not. Oops. Yeah, whatever. I will keep it like this. And after that, I'm selecting the all edges here and increase segments and shade auto smooth. But this time we have no plate texture, so don't worry. I have a good result for this problem. I'm gonna make it just like this. What a cheater. Oh. I feel like a cheater all the time. I just need the correct image. Where is this? Shader. It's conditioner 1. All right. Now let's make it correct. Conditioner 1, and look at this. I have tons of textures here, but in low quality. Yeah, that's for sure. So what? I just can use it like this. Yeah, for small portion areas. Yeah, why not? And after that, let's use this one maybe. I want to check it. Yeah, sure. And of course this one. Look at this. That's so easy. Yeah. Door 3 and base color. And I'm just making cube projection scale. Now cube projection. And we got this. Oh, it's replicating itself so bad. I can't accept that, man. Just have it like this. Yeah, that's fine. Make it a little bit here. Do you see that? That's the illusion. Illusion of the 3D work. I want to make it a little bit wider. Another cube projection. No. Smart UV project and make it a little bit different than the previous one. I mean, what is this? Okay, I gotta make different kind of projection project from view because it's making it a little bit weird and I can't have the perfect result for it. That's better. That's exactly what I want. Look at this. We have tons of junk and tons of metal plates and other stuff. We can use any kind of textures here to make any kind of objects. Like if you need a pipe here, look at this. You have pipe, right, with the PBR texture. So I'm gonna teach you more detailed way of this method, and you can make it in a clever way. And if you do it in a clever way, as I said before, you can have tons of different objects and models, and you always need to think smart and just try to use everything you have. That's the key part. So let's say you need a wooden stuff, maybe you can say that. Just apply. Look at this. We have interesting shape. Maybe you can say that it's a column. And is it all right? Yeah. You can say that it's a column, and look at this. What we have here. Just get rid of this here for now and select this. Okay. You can use it just like this. You can also use it like unwrap. No, I need a mark seam and just unwrap, and we have this result. So you gotta prepare it in a correct way. Turn it like this. Is that correct? No, something like this. Yeah, that's fine. And if you have problems with kind of repeating textures here, but you don't have enough room for it, just be smart, okay? That's always the same process. Be smart, and you can move it. You can just move it in same axis. All right, I'm just moving it in the same axis. And if you have some problems like this, just be smart again, dude. That's the key. So you have no room to get away. So make it like extrusion here. So it's gonna look like you have a planned object. So you are hiding the repeating lines. So that's it. Just be smart. That's the key. Okay. I know I'm wasting my time with unplanned explanations. I hope I'm gonna make it in detailed way, not just like that fast in the next tutorial. But I always want to explain cool stuff. Yeah, did you get it? Now you have this. Can you imagine that you are using it as column here? Tick, 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 tick. Yeah, you can also use any kind of textures here, from textures anywhere. You can use Google Maps, you can use anywhere your stock images. Yeah, you name it. Okay, if you think smart, you can use and you can make any kind of objects with your limited image count. That's the secret. Okay, so that's what I did here, and I need one couple of plate because it's gonna be so rough. I don't want to have this kind of specific, parts for the texture, because it's gonna make it look like repeating itself, and I don't want that. So I'm just trying to hide that. Yeah, look at this. Are you kidding with me, right? What a nice texture we have. So that's the secret, guys. All right, and I can show it to you in a cool way. So let's make it like this, and just duplicate one, go here. I need a light here to reflection. Look at this. Yeah, did you get it? Yeah, that's so easy. All right, keep working. We are wasting time. It wasn't planned. Okay, go back. Now we are here. So in this case, I can easily make the plate planting now, because I have enough material for it, and believe me that it's gonna be look so amazing when I finish this, because I always like chaotic stuff on my scenes, on my works. And look at this, it's looking so cool. And I'm gonna place everywhere with this kind of plates, and I want to make it look like a poor apartment, and it's gonna it's gonna make it look a little bit dramatic. And I want to tell a story about these poor people in the same apartment. Maybe there is no separated walls, and they are living together inside, and there are lots of kids and people and families living together. That's what I want to tell in this concept art. So I think I don't want to finish it in a short way this time. So I want to do I want to do better than my best, right? So I don't want to accept my best, and let's go further together, okay? We have external area which is not planned and not in the reference image, so what can I use? I'm so excited to use these new parts here, because look at this, it's like a bunker window here, right? And why don't I place a light inside? So it's gonna make it a little bit more interesting, but let's make it a little bit like a room. It's not looking like a room, so I'm adding another edge loop inside the cutter, and I'm extruding it again. So look at this, it's a custom boolean, because it's still cutter here, it's not applied. So you can make any kind of interesting details. Look at this, it's always changing. I just want to try that kind of room here, and we got this. And let's make it, oh, by the way, I'm still in the cycles. I don't like to work in cycles mode all the time. All right, I want to make it look like something like this, but let's make it spread a little bit less. So probably I'm gonna place a man here, just here, and looking from the window and checking around from the apartment, and that's gonna be cool. Okay, that's it for this place, but I'm running out of my concrete material, so I'm getting a little bit nervous about this, because why don't I use more concrete, concrete materials? So I feel like it's not enough for me, and maybe I can have bricks. What you say with you? So should I make a brick texture? It will look cool, but it's gonna a little bit out of plan, and we're gonna get away from the reference. So just let me think, okay? I wanna stick with the plan here, but I also want a brick texture so bad. All right, we have this, and oh, we have another one. So why not? I can't use it. All right, what you think? That's also fine, right? You can use this. You can also use this material here. It doesn't matter anymore because, you know, we already made it. Also, I can make a little bit, ramshackle style, and you can have little bit empty spaces here. It's looking like they made it in couple of hours, and that's all. So that's why there will be a torch inside or a room lamp, but the window won't be look so clean. That's what I want to have. All right, now I'm gonna try it in a clean way, not with lots of problems, just like this. That's what I'm trying to have. Oh, it's already applied. Yo, it means that just push it a little bit more. So we have the window here with the different kind of what was that, metal plates, and I'm gonna hide this emission here and link materials, give it back to me, apply emission here, and look at this. Did you get it? What we have? I can also have another one here, so it's gonna increase the mystery. And look at this, what's gonna happen in this building, you know? It's so mysterious, and it's scratching my curiosity, just like this. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm always saying that in the series, that's gonna be a living and survival style building. So everywhere should have different kind of difficulty to live, and I need to show that. That's my goal in this tutorial. Look at this, it's getting better, right? it wasn't good enough until this time, and you can say that, yeah, you can accept that, and it was looking like a cube and a poor cube style, but it's getting better as long as I adding details. That's the secret, just keep adding details. All right, we already have high quality textures, high quality PBR textures. It's repeating itself, and there is nothing problematic area here. It's just a little bit so sharp. Okay, that's what I'm not fan of, this kind of sharp edges. Okay, so I'm planning to make little bit bevels, but I know that I'm gonna distort the shape of the building, but believe me that I'm gonna polish these angles just like this. So at that time we're gonna have a little bit more realistic looking building. All right, stop talking, go. Now we have this plate area. Which one I could use it? All right, come back. Yeah, it's that easy to use that. Just paste it and bend it a little bit, and that's it. Why we have a plate here, I don't know. So let's make it logical. Why would you close that? You close something like the wall just because there's an empty hole, right? So think logical. You don't need to follow every stupid thing in the AI making. It's just AI and make it look good, but in sometimes it's not logical, and you don't want to follow every step for the AI. So let's make a story about each area, just like this. So just give me the emission, please. All right, and place it here. Look at this. We again have a story here. Oh, I'm so curious about this place. So interesting. All right. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's getting more interesting. I can say that. We have emission 2, but I'm not a fan of that emission. I'm gonna change it soon, but right now, oh, look at this. We have extra plate here just for that. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna make it what is this? Yeah, that's a interior light here. It's looking so modern, but we don't have any modern clue about this apartment. So that's why I think I can change it to a little bit, apartment light. But for now, let's keep it that way. I'm planning to add lots of people around this building, okay? You're just gonna see that, and that's gonna be so awesome. All right, I like that kind of chaotic style, and this time I'm not gonna make it in a shortcut, and yeah, I'm gonna go to the end. Why not? If you find it boring, you can just wait for the final episode, but I feel a little bit like nervous about, I don't want to make you bored. That's why I'm always trying to keep it short in 10 episodes. And after that, I feel like, no, it wasn't the end, right? I don't want to make it like this anymore and go for all the way. Are you with me, guys? By the way, don't forget to like, please. If you're listening this right now, just press like button. I wasn't thinking like this before because it's just a like button, but the YouTube algorithm, it's not working like this. It's only reading the like amount, and it doesn't show you to people if you have less like amount. So that's so cruel because people actually like it and people like to watch it, but he shouldn't press the like button. Actually, I'm almost never using the like button in my personal watching experiences, but now I know how difficult is this. All right, now we have the balcony. No, we have balcony. This weird stuff here, and it's gonna be air conditioner. Let's use this one. I wish I prepare lots of different kind of metal man-made objects to use on the apartment, because I feel like that I need more object, that's for sure. Look at this idiot pipe here. I don't like your pipe. I'm gonna be honest with you, and I can delete you soon. I just wanna be honest with you, little rusty pipe. So you can just look like this right now. No way. All right. Let's have different kind of materials. For now, for example, not for now, just make an improvisation. I don't want to have like a separator only. So look at this. I can make an area like this and just duplicate it. Duplicate more. And what I want to do is just UV editor here. Just move this a little bit. Okay? You can just check it if it's looking correct or not. And now it's not looking like it's repeating itself, right? That's the key point. Look at this. Yeah, that's the key. And that's all. Yeah. It's only happening with the door texture. That's so interesting. I know. Yeah, you're gonna get used to it. So let's have it like this here. And make it a little bit less. Oh, it's looking a little bit stretched. Why is that? You can't stay like this, dude. You have no permission to stay like this. Yeah, that's better. A little bit better. I'm not proud of this fast air conditioner model, but you know, this is different kind of technique. This time we have another interesting part. Let's make interesting experiments. Why can't I use this one just like with these faces only? You know what I mean? So I just want to try it only with this inside piece. Also, I can let me show it to you. Oh, look at this. I'm having new variation. Yay. Okay, just bring it back for now because I made unplanned improvements here right now. I was trying to different kind of stuff. So why don't I make an improvisation? Just snap it here, but don't forget to merge it and just cube projection. I need UV map so bad, but let's try to have different kind of result here. Please don't make me open this image here. Window 1 base color. All right, I'm gonna go for it. So why don't I thought that why don't I go that way, guys? Okay, just like this. Oops, no, it's not logical. It should look like this, yeah. And shit. All right, don't worry. Just snap it and yeah. One more time. You can't stop me, man. All right, we have another window here. Where is the original one? That's it. But it's looking different. Do you see that? So that's what I'm talking about. Also, you can make it different windows, but little bit low quality. But if you want to make it look like different window, that's so crucial. And look at this. You are making a new windows with the same image, exactly the same image, but I'm getting have extra different looking window. Yeah, that's why I'm always telling you that it's kind of illusion. And if you consider it as illusion show, you can make it a good performance. And yeah, we are having a little bit problems in our small show, I know, because you don't want to leave it like this, otherwise you can't use it from the top view. Yeah, that wouldn't be clever. Okay, we fixed it. Okay, my plan wasn't that, so let me make exactly my plan. I just made unplanned improvement. Just get rid of this. It's all about time. If you wanna spend more time, you can have tons of different kind variations of doors just from here, you can use it. You can also just use what is this. I'm still using, why am I looking at, oh yeah, I remember, respect is everything. So if you have time, let me show another another improvement. I can stop it. I can stop myself. Look at this. Now we have a column with the concrete material. Yeah. So it's all about looking your image like this. That's all I want you to do. Right? Just knife it. It doesn't matter if there's a problem here. Just let me check. Look at this. You are not belonging here. What? Yeah. Now you can cube project here and door 3. Just go and find door 3 here. Where are you? What? What is this? Door 3. There is no door 3. Door 2. Normal. That's so weird. What are you using? That's so interesting. What is this? It says image. What? That's not professional. Am I using this as base color? What a shame. But I don't care. I made tons of correct PBR textures, so you can forgive me about this kind of stupid mistake, right? Look at this. Now we have a column here with just the base texture here. I can also use this. You get the point, right? You can, it doesn't matter that you have the doors here, you have, you know, different kind of objects, images. Just use your imagination and just produce tons of different kind of materials. Just use a base texture with highest quality as possible. You know, you can use it as 4K or 8K, and after that you can have tons of different image with just one texture. All right, let's keep working. Now look at this. We have a window here, and I'm still trying to make my planned action here. So let me delete this. All right. Okay, now we have window here, just like this. You don't need to use any frames if you don't need that, and just move it like this. Look at this. We have another window here. We have one more window here, so you can feel all of your building with these variations. That was I was trying to explain. You can also have, look at this, for example here, and look at this. Now you have borders. Are you gonna make me crazy? Q Enzo is a little bit crazy. Yeah, what a guy. So I'm just using my imagination, that's all. Look at this. Now you have a border for the frame, and look at this. Look at this. It's looking nice, right? So that's it. But we are getting a little bit lost with the project. I just need to find myself again. I don't want to say that also anymore. but I have another trick for you. I forgot the pipe here, and you know, I was planning to use it only this one, but you can use it just like that. Right? Look at this. We have another pipe here. And you can fix it. Fix this repeating problem here. Just move it like this. Yeah, that's it. And let's go back to building. Just place it like this as before. Why is reflecting like like this? Come on, man. It's not that reflective. That's so funny. All right, we have set here and go back here like before. And yep. Do you want to see it as like this? No, it's improving, and look at this. It's getting more sensible and more realistic. You know, after I placing the windows and conditioners and other stuff, you're gonna feel it like it's a realistic real life building. And after that, I'm gonna make tons of small lighting settings, and you're gonna see it like, wow, what's happening here. But of course, it's looking so plain here. We have no background image for, you know, with clouds, and the buildings are blacks right now, and fog and other things. But you can understand that it's going to a good and awesome way. And I don't wanna leave any empty space here on this building. I'm just gonna place lots of cables and pipes and other stuff. That's gonna be so crowded and chaotic, okay? And after that, I'm planning to add people all the building here, maybe from the windows, and they're gonna stay just like this. Here they will look from here. That's gonna be so fun to place all the people there. There can be you know, a couple here, and they are talking about something. They can be more poor people for the, you know, lower floors, because, you know, it's getting richer, and that's the penthouse for a poor apartment. But we can make it a little bit more poor and, you know, dramatic for the downside. So there will be lots of people on this building. That's, I remember my childhood, and I was drawing images and pictures just like this. Let me show it to you. Just consider it like this. I was drawing some ground here, and after that I was making something like this, like a platform game, and I was making it like tons of people here with here ladders and mine carts, and people were working inside this mine shaft here, and they were, you know, little bit in a chaos and other stuff and simple. I was always drawing some scenes like this when I was at maybe 7 or 10 years old, something like that. I was so small, and you look at this. I'm now 33 years old, and look at this, what I'm doing. I'm doing same thing. After all of those years, I'm just making it in 3D, and there's still some similar, adventure feeling, that storytelling. And yeah, I love working on like this, and probably I think I'm gonna go that way from now on, because that's my passion, to have chaotic scenes and stories. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do from right now. Okay, we can finalize this little bit wasted episode, but I don't think that so much, because I showed you different kind of variation making stuff here, right? Did you find it useful? We made different kind of variations for windows, so you can apply this same illusion to all of these windows here, and you can have thousands of windows just from this couple of windows here. And also you can still make metal sticks just using this, just using these frames. You can use it as metal structures. You can use this area here as concrete column, maybe border and other stuff. Yeah, the imagination is your limit, and I'm just showing to you how you can do it. Just the ways, just tricks and tips. You can do better than me, and we have tons of possibilities with this kind of textures here. That's why I made all of them in high quality and in a good way PBR textures, so I can use it thousands of times on my different kind of scenes. I can make different looking scenes maybe 50 more times. I'm not sure. And yeah, we have border here. Now you know how to do it. I think that's useful episode. I'm not gonna be merciless to myself. I feel like a little bit, I wasted my time, but yeah, I like the result. Look at this. Okay, don't forget to like, people. As I said before, that's so important. You can't believe that. Like button is so important. And if you like me or the tutorial, just please press that button, okay? And that's all. We can finalize this episode. We have lots of things to do, but as I said before, I'm gonna go to the end of the way, and I want to do I'm gonna do more than my best, okay? I'm not planning to keep it short, or yeah, this is the technique and you can do better. No, I'm gonna make a crazy scene, and I'm not gonna stop it, okay? So I'm sorry if you're gonna find it a little bit boring, but you can fast forward and just take out the useful part and just screw up my talking and just find out the useful ones, and that's all. Okay, just take care of yourself and see you on the next one. Bye bye.